I finally bought a macro lens. I really enjoy macro photography and I have been using my phone for it for a few years now, but when I saw this lens I couldn't resist buying it. It's the TTArtisan 40mm macro lens that costs only about $130 brand new. Okay, so now I will unbox it. There's not much in the box. The first thing is this warranty card. And then we have this instruction manual. I also found out TTArtisan stands for the Thinking Artisan, which is quite interesting and I didn't know that. And then the last and most important thing in the box, the lens itself. It's actually quite heavy and it's made entirely out of metal, it seems like. Now they make this lens in a lot of different mounts, but I got the Fujifilm X mount for my X-T30 Mark II. It has a screw-on lens cap, which I really don't like at all. It just takes too long to remove it and yeah, it doesn't work that well. It has a maximum aperture of f2.8 and it is a manual focus only lens, but that's fine I think, as most people only use manual focus for macro anyway. As you can see, the front element of the lens actually sits quite far away from the front of the lens, so it kind of has a built-in lens hood, which is nice. As I said, I hate the lens cap it comes with, so I bought this one for it instead. It just works so much better. This is the aperture control ring. It has very nice clicks and I don't have anything to complain about. This is the focus ring. The closer you want to focus, the longer the barrel extends, as you can see. The focus ring also feels quite nice, but it has kind of a long throw, but yeah, I guess it's okay. Overall, I would say that the lens feels very well made and I'm very excited to test it out in my next video. See you then. Bye!